Even the most powerful machines can end up in situations beyond control. And right now, you're about to see how they face some of the harshest failures imaginable. Watch this epic comparison between two off-road machines. A tractor and an ATV go head-to-head, showcasing their power on tough terrain covered with a 1-meter thick layer of ice. The tractor pushes into deep mud but struggles to get out, fighting hard before finally breaking free. Meanwhile, the ATV handles the challenge better and comes out on top in this round. Powerful machines climb eucalyptus hills, hauling down tens of tons of timber. Rain turns the roads into a slippery mess, forcing these custom-built vehicles to move slowly and carefully uphill. The wheels spin at high speed, yet the progress is as slow as a crawling turtle, showing just how brutal this transport work really is. Support these machines by commenting 1 below. What terrible luck. An excavator filling a pond suddenly slips and falls in, as thick mud quickly begins to swallow the machine. Right on time, a Kbelco arrives, using its powerful engine to rescue the trapped excavator. Was it the poor road quality, or was the machine simply too heavy? A wheeled excavator is moving along when the road suddenly collapses, causing it to tilt sharply as one side sinks into a drainage ditch. Emergency rescue is called in. A large excavator arrives, secures chains to the machine, and slowly pulls it back up. Another round of crazy machine showdowns. At the base of a barren, snow-covered mountain, 2 T40 tractors come out to test their strength. Both machines pull with all their power, same engines, same strength, locked in a stubborn tug-of-war that turns absolutely insane. Every rescue becomes more difficult on such thick snow. The T40 tractor struggles to pull the VAZ out of the snowy area, slowly dragging the vehicle forward. The engine roars as it moves, but the wheels sink deeper into the snow with every inch. If you like this machine like I do, comment number 1. Do you know what this machine is? It's the DT-30 Vityaz, designed to transport heavy weapons and cargo for military use. While transporting, it encountered a major challenge: the harsh terrain ahead, as the machine slowly pushed its way into the deep forest. Equipped with tracks, it tears through the ground, sinking up to 1 meter deep, truly incredible. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss dramatic machine failures and intense rescue moments.
Que não! Nós não deveria estar vendo isso aqui.
A risky journey that ends in being completely stuck. The Jeep stubbornly pushes forward onto a dangerous path, with muddy, uneven terrain and steep slopes. It keeps moving ahead, causing the vehicle to bounce violently the entire way.
बल्ल निकाल्यो है।
The truck lost control and veered off the roadside. 50 tons of cargo spilled all over the road, forcing traffic to come to a complete stop. An excavator is working to rescue the vehicle, pulling the truck back onto the lane.
Bagaceira.
Two off-road machines, the DT-75 and ATL, are moving deep into the forest. They deliberately enter the muddy terrain to test their strength, and they don't disappoint, quickly overcoming the challenge. Racing across the rough terrain like beasts, they conquer the entire forest. Working at the construction site. The JCB excavator is equipped with a powerful engine. It has been working here for many years, and its job is to load sand onto trucks. Each bucket carries about 3 tons of sand, and the air is constantly filled with dust. I really like this machine. The fire keeps growing bigger and bigger. While driving on the highway, the vehicle suddenly bursts into intense flames. And the fire department quickly arrives. After 30 minutes of firefighting, all that's left is a pitiful, burned-out frame of the vehicle. The more they try to rescue it, the more they get stuck. The concrete mixer truck is trapped on a slippery, sandy road, and even the rescue effort by 2 tractors ends up getting them stuck as well. The wheels keep spinning in place, even with the support of an excavator. Who knows how long it will take for these machines to finally get out? That's it, the Valtra 1780 gets stuck, and the rescue attempt by the Massey tractor becomes extremely difficult. The slippery clay road causes both machines to spin in place as they try to pull each other. They try different angles to recover it. But nothing works very well after struggling for quite a while. They finally manage to get free. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more machine failures and how they're handled in dramatic ways.